Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Allis. If this is your first time here, thank you guys so much for stopping by. And if you're not new to the channel, then welcome back for another video. For today's video, I'm going to be rounding up all of my January favorites. I know it is crazy to me to believe that January is already over. We're already rolled into February and it's just like, everybody always says that January takes forever and a day to go by, but I don't see it that way. I always feel like it goes by super quick. Especially, you know, minor details. It's my birthday. I'm a January baby. My birthday is actually January 27th, so it's towards the end of January. So all of January, I feel like it just flies by because I just feel like my birthday just gets here so quick right after New Year's. So yeah, anyways, I'm rambling, but today's video is going to be my January favorites like I just mentioned, and I have a couple things here that I did want to share with you guys, some of the things that I was really loving in January. I also have some song favorites, you know those are coming. So of course, stay tuned for those if you want to jam out with me a little bit. So yeah guys, that's pretty much it for now, and let's go ahead and roll into the video. Alright guys, so the very first favorite that I have here is this Equal Tools blending sponge. Mine is a little bit dirty because I just used it actually. I did try to wash it a little bit just so it wouldn't look that dirty, but you know, I didn't do that much of a good job because it's a little bit dirty still. But yeah, anyways, I did use this just now to do my makeup. This is the Equal Tools Total Perfecting Blender, and actually at Target they have it for $3.74, so this is really inexpensive. So I have been super loyal to the Real Techniques beauty sponge, I think it's what it's called. It's the orange one. For the most part, a lot of people like it. I have swore by that for years and years and years. But recently, I don't know if I got a bad couple batches, but I've placed a few orders within 2018 last year, and all of my sponges were breaking on me like it was nobody's business. Like I would use them once and then they'd automatically just start breaking, and they would look really, really bad and worn and torn, like if I had used them for months and months, when in reality it had only had like 1 or 2 uses. And I started hating that because I'm like, okay, like what is going on? I don't know if the quality of the sponges has just decreased or if I was just getting bad batches. I really don't understand what was going on, but I was really turned off by that. And I was really excited because this was a gift from my honey. He actually put this in my stocking stuffer for Christmas, and I don't know why he just got it. I just guess he picked it up at the drugstore or something, but I was so happy he did, and I'm actually going to go ahead and buy a couple more of these because these are amazing. Like I just said, extremely affordable sponges. They're really, really good quality. What I love about this is it is very, very bouncy. I want to say it's even bouncier than the Beauty Blender and the Real Techniques sponge. It feels like it has a little bit more density to it, but at the same time, still very soft, still very bouncy. I probably have used this maybe over 20 times at this point, and it is still looking brand spanking new, and that is something that my Real Technique sponges have not been doing. So they're on a break right now. Okay, we're taking a break right now. I don't want to talk to them. Okay, they're just in the dungeon right now. We're on a break. Me and my Equal Tool sponge, we're living our best lives over here. We've gotten to know each other really well, and it's getting a real special place in my heart. So far so good. I'm definitely going to stock up on more of these, but if you're looking for a really good affordable sponge to do your makeup with, I highly recommend that you check this one by Equal Tools out. You can get Equal Tools at Target, Walmart, drugstores like that, but it is so good. Okay, so I don't know what I've been living under, but it was definitely some sort of boulder rock situation because I have recently just tried out the Maybelline Lash Sensational mascara. I know this mascara was like all the rave for so long, and it had its moment a few years ago when it first came out, but I just totally didn't even like get on that wave. I don't know where I was. I think it was like on sale at Target. I think the Cartwheel app had it for like a couple bucks off, so I ended up paying maybe like $4 for it. I don't know, girl. I needed a mascara, okay? So I ended up picking this one up. It is so good, you guys. This mascara does have a curled wand, as you guys can see right here, but don't let that fool you if you don't like things that have a curled wand. I know people that don't like it. I know people that prefer a mascara that is just straight just because it doesn't have that contour on it, but I don't care, honestly. This is such a really good mascara. It's super duper black, and it does an amazing job with my eyelashes. I will have to demo it for you guys one day. I'm sorry that I can't right now because I already have my lashes and everything on my eyes. You guys, it's so good. Now, this is coming from somebody who has really dinky, really short, very sparse lashes. I do not have a lot going on when it comes to my natural lashes. Believe me, honey, that is why I'm always supporting my falsies. Okay, honey? They do not take a back seat. They hardly ever do. They're always on deck because my lashes, they're just a sad story, okay? Side note, why do guys always have better lashes than us? Can somebody tell me why males, for the most part, have such amazing lashes, and then females, we're just stuck with these dinky looking, short, sparse, good-for-nothing lashes? I just want to know. Why is it like that? Obviously, it's Maybelline, so you can get it at the drugstore. Very affordable. So if you're looking to try out a new mascara and you do have shorter lashes, get this one out. It provides a good amount of volume, a good amount of length too, and it's really, really dark, so it makes your lashes look very prominent. If you have short lashes, or even if you don't, and you're looking for another really, really good mascara from the drugstore, check this bad boy out. The Maybelline Lash Sensational. so good. Alright guys, so huge, like humongous shout out to the Girlactik Precise Eyeliner Marker. You guys, this eyeliner is phenomenal. If only it would focus, that would be amazing. There we go. There we go. This is just a liquid liner, felt tip, amazing liner from Girlactik. I gotta say, this is definitely my favorite liner at the moment. Everybody knows that when you're wearing liner, it's either going to make or break your look. It's going to make it. If you got a good liner day, it's going to make your look. It's going to make you look phenomenal. It's going to make you look like a damn supermodel. But if you have a bad liner day, then you're going to curse at the world. Okay, you're going to be angry at everybody. You're going to be a miserable hag because it's going to ruin your makeup and it's just going to put you in a bad mood. At least that's what it does to me, okay? Don't front, okay? I know you've been getting all miserable too. So yeah, guys, I went off on a tangent. I still love my Inglot gel liner. Don't get me wrong. Love it, love it, love it. However, that does take me a while to put on. Whenever I'm going to put that on, I need to make sure that I have time to do my makeup. There's something about the felt tip liner that this has that is so flexible. It's so easy to work with. It's just like one swoop, you're in and out the house and you're done. I can easily put this on in like 2 minutes. And I honestly don't think that I can do liner that quick with any other product. It would take me a while to put on a wing liner. As you guys can see here, it's what I did with my eyes today. Super duper black. It stays on all day long and it's matte too. It doesn't give you like a glossy finish or anything like that. It's really, really easy to use, extremely beginner friendly. So if you are very intimidated by wing liner or you don't have a product that you can swear by, highly recommend that you check out this Girlactik liner. Alright guys, so I briefly mentioned this in my best of beauty for 2018, but I wanted to give it another shout out here because I don't think I talked about it that much. But this is the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. This is an amazing setting spray by Morphe. Now, Morphe did release this, I believe it was in 2018, but I didn't end up trying it till like maybe towards the end of November, towards maybe like all of December and then January. I mentioned this in my best of beauty because I knew from the minute that I used this that I was gonna love this because of the way that it applies. This is such a fine mist, and if you can just see the way it comes out, it's just so fine and it's so peaceful almost. Like it just goes on your face so gracefully, if that's even a proper adjective to describe a setting spray. But honestly, it is so good. It holds your makeup on all day long. It has a pleasant fragrance, and honest to God, it's the mister. It's the way that this comes out that just sells everybody on it. I have not heard anybody say anything bad, but honest to God, I will continue to repurchase this setting spray because it is so darn good. This was another staple favorite, and I wanted to give it a huge shout out. This was another gift from my honey for Christmas, and I've been spraying this nonstop. I gotta say, I've never been too much of a perfume hoarder. Honestly, I really haven't. But lately, I've been turning into one, especially because this is such an amazing spray. This is YSL Mon Prairie perfume, and I absolutely love it. It's such a sexy fragrance. It's beautiful for like a night out. Honestly, I don't even know how to describe scents very well, so I'm gonna go get the box so I can read you guys the notes. It has a grapefruit essence, rosebud accord, datura accord, patchouli essence. I know that I love patchouli in perfumes, but yeah, you guys, this perfume is so good. I don't know how to describe it. I'm so sorry. I would love to do a perfume video one day, but I feel like that would be such a fail for me to do because I just don't know how to describe scents very well. Honestly, the only word that comes to mind with this perfume is just sexy. It smells so good. Every time I wear it, everybody asks me what I'm wearing. It really settles nicely and complements my body chemicals as well, so I just feel like my body really sinks in that perfume really good, and it just has such a nice, beautiful, womanly fragrance, and I'm just all here for it. This bottle is absolutely beautiful to display as well. So, but I won't lie, I don't think it's a daytime perfume. I think it's more of like a nighttime, going out, you know, doing something special kind of perfume. I don't think it's like the everyday daytime perfume, especially because it is a little bit strong. But yeah, I love that perfume. It is so good. Alright guys, so that's going to wrap up my January favorites. I really hope that you guys enjoyed the beauty section of this video. Now I'm going to go ahead and dive right into my song favorites because you guys know I always got y'all with the new that's on the radio, the stuff that everybody loves. Y'all know I got you with that stuff. So let me just pull up my Spotify real quick. And I think that I'm done tripping, I'm tripping, I've been sipping, that's how I control. You see it, I like it, I want it, I got it. I want it, I got it. I want it, I got it. Bebé, bebecita, bebecita, lo de nosotros es un secreto que nadie se entere. But I'm undecided, excited, ignited, and I don't wanna feel the way I do, but I like it. Like what you made me do. Somebody new. Oh, baby, I'm dancing with a stranger. Ayy. Dancing with a stranger. Alright guys, so that's going to wrap up my January favorites. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, and give me a thumbs up if you did enjoy this video. They help me out a lot. They let me know that you guys are enjoying my content, and that way I can continue to put out content like this for you guys to enjoy. And yeah guys, thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!